Hey everyone, welcome back. If HBO Max stopped working right after an update, it's usually due to a temporary app bug, so let's fix it. First of all, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for HBO Max, swipe it out completely, then open the app. Next, you're going to restart your phone and clear the update related glitches. Next, head over to your app store or your play store and make sure the update is finished properly. On Android, clear the app cache. On iPhone, long press on the HBO Max home screen, then click remove app, then delete the app. To reinstall it again, head over to your app store, search for the app, and then reinstall it from the app store only. Next, make sure that your phone's operating system is up to date. Once done, HBO Max to work normally after the update, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.